to balance the conditions of the citizens in whatever part of Italy they were born or live. These are the words with which, in 1862, Quintino Sella established the Institute of the Corte as the first court of the newly unified Italy. Public finances, that is the capital and labour of all citizens, must pass under an impartial magnifying glass that controls its interchange, management and destination, avoiding waste and mismanagement. This has been the function of the Corte since its inception. Today, Corte dei Conti's independence from political and legislative powers, as per constitutional provisions, is evident by the appointment of its members, from the chairman, appointed by the government from among judges of the Corte dei Conti itself, to the Attorney General, nominated by decree of the head of state, and all its judges, who are recruited through open competition. Inaugurated in 1962, the current National Headquarters building was designed by architects Sibyl and Pasquali and enhanced, on the outside, by sculptors Giaroli and Fulana. Located in the central Prati district, it houses the offices of the Presidency, the Secretary-General of the Attorney General of the Presidency Council, and the offices of Central Control and Jurisdiction, and it is where the most important and solemn events of the life of the Institute are carried out. Italian history, art and technology are intertwined in every corner and corridor of the building. The paintings of Maffei, the maces of justice that symbolise reason, and the portraits of kings and fathers of the country introduce us to this temple of knowledge and respect for the law. Knowledge and understanding can be felt in the Central Library, where it is possible to admire centuries of legal history. 220,000 volumes that are continually augmented, 3,000 Italian and foreign periodicals, extensive administrative records, all sorted and catalogued by 21st century cutting-edge computerized consultation services. The library is open not only to employees of the Corte dei Conti, but also to judges, teachers, students and legal professionals who submit a formal request. Utmost seriousness and strict ceremonial procedures are combined with perfect organisation along with the tools offered by existing technologies to allow the library to operate in the most functional and precise manner possible. But what does the Corte dei Conti do? Control and jurisdiction. The former is expressed in the form of preventive, legality of action, successive, concerning management, and economic and financial control. The latter involves the Corte in the role of jurisdiction through administrators, staff accountants, employees and officials in practice, ministers, secretaries, who have responsibilities in the management of public affairs. The Corte dei Conti certifies the high level of professionalism of its magistrates and administrative staff, also through a continuously updated collaboration with leading educational institutions. The Corte works to identify anomalies, deviations from management models, critical analysis of various types to encourage institutions to conform, to incorporate recommendations and put an end to any irregularities. In severe cases, the Corte may establish the appropriate corrective measures up to the freezing of funds. Monitoring the management of municipal resources to prevent irregularities and fraud is an important additional function of the Corte dei Conti. The Corte must provide annual and quarterly reports on its activities, reports on spending and its justification. Special reports, cost of labour, universities, public information, off-budget management, evaluate the financial consequences arising from the emergency measures and hold hearings to identify easier ways of applying several new laws concerning fiscal federalism, public health, etc., and sort out the financial management of supported organisations, including public companies, Enel, Eni, ANAS. Every day, there are 431 judges and 2,670 administrative staff operating throughout Italy to perform to the best advantage all of these important functions. The resources of the country are the result of the hard work, effort and ambitions of its citizens, who have a constant need to know how they are deployed. Today, as yesterday, the Corte dei Conti is an indispensable tool for ensuring each of us that our commitment and our contribution to society will not be misplaced or misused.